Everybody, it's Vicky again. I'm back with another unboxing. I know it's a lot, but I had to get it done. So yeah, I'm here with a Sephora Play unboxing, as you can see. Yeah, so we'll just get started, okay? So, and for some reason, I have lost the insert. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, and then on the back says, "Good things come to those who play." Okay, so let's get started. Let's see. First things first, the Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick. Next is the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. Another sample size. I already have another one of these. I have a half one and I have a normal, like a nice bottle. So, okay. Next. What? I got a Bailey right here next to me. He thinks this is a treat bag. What? Next, I got the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. Woohoo! Yay! What? Hey, come here. Hi, everybody. It's my baby. Okay. Alright. Next, we got Living Proof No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream. And next is some kind, I think it's mascara. I'm probably gonna be sorry they opened it. Yeah, it's very mini mascara. And then last but not least is this. What? Stop that. Is the let's see. It's from Tarte. I can't read what it says because I'm just super blind and it's not very filled up. Let's see. So that is it. So do me a favor, subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button. I would greatly appreciate that, Bailey. And hit that notification bell so that way you are notified the next time I upload a video. Do you want to say goodbye? Do you want to say goodbye? Here, want to say goodbye? Come here. Say goodbye. Goodbye. Still cute. Okay. And everybody have a good night. I love you. Mwah. Bye.